KSRCT IAC. It's a gratifying welcome we bring to you on this pleasant evening. Hope you will have a great day ahead. To start this auspicious occasion, I would like to call upon Ms. Sabarika from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, third year, to welcome the gathering.
Don't start your day with the broken pieces of yesterday. Every morning we wake up is the first day of the rest of our life. It's a pleasure to start this moment by heartily welcoming Sri R. Srinivasan, Vice Chairman of KSR Educational Institutions, Dr. K. Tyagaraja, CEO of KSR Educational Institutions in their absence here, and Dr. R. Gopalakrishnan, Principal, KSRCT. We welcome you all to today's webinar. I heartily welcome our today's chief guest, Mr.R.Saranraj, who is here to deliver a talk on filing of Indian patent and ethics in IPR. Now I extend a warm welcome to our President, Vice President, Convener of IIC, student coordinators of IIC and other core members. I extend my salutation to the faculty members and the other participants. The desire to create is one of the deepest earnings of the human soul. Once again here, I welcome you all to the webinar on filing of Indian patent and ethics in IPR. Thank you everybody.
Thank you, Sabarika. If you absolutely can't stay positive, then don't go negative. Just cruise neutral for a while until you can get back up. Let me take this opportunity to invite Ms. Gayatri from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, third year, to introduce our today's chief guest, Mr. R. Saranraj, to the audience.
A delightful evening to present here. Don't let your learning lead to knowledge. Let your learning lead to action. I am so glad in welcoming our today's chief guest, Mr.R. Saranraj, Assistant Manager cum IPR Analyst, Department of Electrical Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. Coming to his studies, our resource person has completed his master degree in Bharathidasan University, Tiruchirappalli. He started his IPR career as a junior executive in Intellectual Property Management Cell at Indian Institute of Technology, Madras on 1st August 2000. Later, he joined as a coordinator of IPR in M. Kumarasamy College of Engineering, Karur, and he is currently working as an assistant manager in AMOLED Research Center at Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. He has played an important role in creating awareness among the students and faculty members about the importance of IPR. He conducted various IPR seminars and workshops and inducted IPR subcommittee. He has filed more than 30 patents. He also organized monthly open forum in IIT Madras from 2014 to 2017 and World IP Day. We are overwhelmed to you here at our event, sir. I hope that we are able to seek guidance and imbibe something from your experience. It is our honor and a privilege for us to have you with us today. We are thankful to have you are making your presence despite your busy schedule. On behalf of IEC, we wish you all your attempts and could result in great success, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you, Ms. Gayatri. Now I hand over the session to our eminent resource person, Mr. R. Saranraj. Please, sir, the floor is all yours.
Good afternoon to everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, audible, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon to
Good
everyone.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon,
You can
madam.
proceed, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, I'm sincerely thankful for this wonderful opportunity to present share my knowledge on IPs. And not only patents we are going to discuss, we are also going to discuss on patents, trademarks, copyrights, designs, as well as registrable designs. Okay. So moving into the topic. So anybody know what is patents and can you aware of it? Anybody know what is patents? One sec. Let me.
Students, kindly be interactive.
Madam, I having some issues. I am unable to present these slides. It's not being accessible.
Lokesh, sir, how you are presenting, sir? Through the mobile or?
Through system, madam.
Sir, which one, sir?
Through laptop, madam.
Okay, sir. You need permission, Lokesh.
Ma'am?
Lokesh, give permission.
Oh, okay.
Give permission for others, okay?
Okay. Yes, coming, madam. So, can you read this presentation, ma'am? Ma'am, can you able to see this presentation slides?
Sir, no, sir. Sir, present one second, sir. Share your screen once again, sir.
One second, madam. One second, just screen. Can you see this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks a lot, Lokesh.
Sir, go to the slideshow, sir. You can proceed. No issues, sir.
Right now, we are going to our focus topic is on patents. Okay. And this is the introduction what we are going to discuss. The patent is nothing but it is a statutory right given to the individual or to the concerned person, individual or to the concern or to the industry or any other country for developing the technology on what they have developed. In simple terms, patent can be classified as patent is nothing but that is your brainchild. Okay, what you are thinking, what you are developing as a technology says that that can be filed as a patent, and this will be valid for 20 years. And this exclusive right can be granted to an individual or the person who has filed on the date of filing itself. Okay, what can be filed as a patent? Any product, any process, or any technology. Product is nothing but what product you are developed from your industry or what you are developed from your home or anything else. Okay, and what can be filed as a patent? Anything else, what you are thinking and what is the knowledge you are getting from your brain, what knowledge you are getting from your knowledge, that can be filed as a patent on process oriented patent and product oriented patent. So we can classify the patent into two types. One is process and second thing is product. If you are going to
Sir?
file a patent, yes ma'am.
Your screen is. Sorry, sir. Sorry for the interruption. Your screen is not visible, sir. Actually, share your screen once again, sir.
One second. Okay, one second.
Sir, share your screen, not share the PPT, sir. If you choose the option share your screen, your entire screen will be visible all the time.
Empty screen, yes madam. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Is it okay, ma'am? Is it visible?
Okay, sir. Now it's fine, sir.
Okay, madam.
Yes, sir.
So if you are going to file
Yes,
a patent, means please consider these three points while going for a patent filing. So I already told you that what is patent? That is nothing but what you are thinking and what is your idea on being an engineering graduate. While learning or while studying or while discussing with your faculty members or while sleeping, you can get some ideas from your brain. Okay. If you have any existing technology having any issues or it can be developed or more, that can be filed as a patent. If you're going to file a patent, don't require any products and we should not disclose any other full entire thing. Okay. What is your brain and what you're going to do and you're thinking, that can be filed as a patent as provisional patent application, and this is valid for 1 year. Okay. If you're going to file a patent as complete and your research has been completed and you're going to file a patent and you're going to claim that this technology has been developed by me and this technology I am thinking on this technology and I want to get some exclusively right from the government of India around the world. Okay. For filing a patent, according to Indian law, we having three basic conditions. first thing is novel. Novel is nothing but that it should be new. What you are thinking and what your idea, it should be new, and it should have some inventive step. If you are not able to satisfy it should novel in the inventive step means your idea and your thinking, it should be capable of industrial application. This is the three things while you are thinking. Please keep this thing in mind. Your idea or your technology, it should be novel, that it should be new, it should be an inventive step, and it should be applicable for industry application. This is the basic statutory pillars of patentability. This is the process of filing a patent. This is very much important while you are going for a patent. I already told you that patent is nothing but what you are thinking and your idea that can be filed as a patent by filling only 4 forms. Okay. Before, this is the patent process in India. We are discussing only on Indian patents. Okay. This is the first thing is filing. Second thing is prosecution. Third thing is maintenance. Okay. We are going to discuss on filing and prosecution. Maintenance, that will be discussed later. While you are filing a patent, you should assess your patent, your idea is capable of filing a patent or not. Okay. Second thing is provisional filing. Please consider this provisional filing. It's very much important, and we have so much of infringement cases only because of provisional filings. Okay. For filing as a provisional, nothing is required. Only thing is your idea should be new. That's all. On that same day itself, we can file your patent application. You will get a patent rights from the date of filing. Okay, and this is valid for 1 year. Any urgency, and you don't want to miss the priority date. Okay, for claiming a priority date and for claiming a patent that is valid only for you means kindly consider for filing of provisional patent application, and what you are filing that will be published in Indian Gazette of India after 18 months. Second thing is examination. Third thing is granting. This is the very not every inventions can be filed as a patent. If you want to file a patent means section 3 is very much important. Any natural thing or any other mathematical business methods that cannot be filed as a patent. Any traditional knowledge, presentation of information, this cannot be filed as a patent. In other terms, the what is section 3 is covering. So this section clause JKLMNOP. Okay, this cannot be filed as a patent, and this clause is what clause is coming on section 3. This can be filed as a design or trademark or copyright. Okay, your idea which is falling into this category cannot be filed as a patent, even though it can be protected as IP in some other face values. Says that you can file this as a copyright, you can file it as a geographical indication or design or trademark. Okay, your idea is coming under this category, cannot fall under patent category. That's all. This is the IP system of Indian Patent Act. If your patent is filed, that is valid only for 20 years from the date of filing. Trademark is for 15 years. Copyright and industrial design, geographical indication. So we are going to discuss briefly about all the categories. First, we are looking on patents. Okay. So I will tell you all the things: trademarks, copyright, industrial design, GI, everything else. So this is the lifetime of the patent. Patent is valid for 20 years. Trademark is for 15 years. Copyright is for throughout the lifetime of the author plus 60 years. It is not 50. It is up to 60 years. Second thing is industrial design, and GI is of for 10 years. And this can be renewable. All the things have been renewable. That is the fixed lifetime of the IPs for 20, 15 and 60, 10 and 10. This can be renewable. This is the technical specification for filing a patent. If you are going for filing a patent means this is the technical specification. This you should disclose in form 2. Okay. What is the title of invention? Before going for Indian Patent Office for filing an IP, and you are going to claim that this invention and this technology belongs to me. This has been developed by me, and I am thinking of the invention, and I want an exclusive right for this invention. For that, the controller of examiner wants to know about brief description of your patent. Says that you should give a proper title of your invention. Okay, and what is the technical field? Second thing is background of the invention. So if you are thinking on some technology means you should have some background. Okay, and what is the objectives? Summaries, brief description and drawings. Most important thing is title as well as the claims. Okay, claims is nothing but So the controller of examiner will never look after all the things. He will look after only on the title as well as the claims. Claims is nothing but you are going to claim to the Indian Patent Office, or you are going to claim to the WIPO, or around the world, all the patent offices. What you are going to claim? Claim is nothing but how your invention is different from the others. Okay, you can say that my invention is different from the existing invention, means what you are claiming. That claims can be tried to write at least 10 differences from your invention. Okay, it should be 10 differences, 10 advantages. Then only your invention will be more stronger for getting a grant. Okay, kindly consider for filing a provisional application before publishing in any journals or any other paper presentations. This is very much important, and as well as try to concentrate on fixing up a good title as well as the claims. This we discussed earlier, and most important thing is from title to drawing, your invention, what you are going to disclose to the controller of patent. This is fully of technical. This is not required at all. Legal claim is very much important. That is a legal term. Okay. This is the forms used to file a patent. Says that form 1. What form 1 will consider? So this is the form 1. Okay. If you are going to Indian Patent Office, please consider for filling the form 1. What form 1 will tell you? Who is the applicant and who is going to own the invention. Okay. Says that your application will be the ordinary application. Applicant name is who is filing the application on behalf of someone. Says that what is applicant? The person who is using the resources and person who is sponsoring for filing a patent, which place the inventor is using. He will come in the applicant. Okay. Second thing is the fourth point is inventors. Inventor is even 10 inventors, 15 inventors, that is no issue. Number of inventors is not restrictable. Anybody and number of inventors will be n numbers. Okay. Try to consider while filing an application, your name should be in the applicant list. Okay. Inventors, I am the first, I am second inventor, that is no issue at all. Try to consider for the while filling the form 1, any other attorneys, or if you are going to fill an application, means try to consider your name should be in the applicant. Okay. And the fifth point is the title of the invention. Okay. If you are going to file through any authorized research patent agent, means please concentrate which form you are signing. Okay. Don't sign the if you are going to an authorized research patent agent, please read the complete document. So they will give you one document that name is Form 26. Okay. Please read the Form 26 entirely, and you should not, the patent agent name should not come in the Form 1. Okay, this is the most important thing. Patent agent name should be only in the 6th point. If the patent agent's name is coming in inventor or applicant, means please ignore the agent, and he will, and this is not a good practice at all. Okay. Second thing is, this is the form 1. This is the first step for filing a patent. Form 1 says that you are claiming that I am the inventor and he is the applicant. We are going to file the invention, and this is my invention title. Okay. This is the form 1. So you can take a printout of it and you can sign everything. You can walk into the patent office, you can file the forms. Okay. This is form 1. While filing a patent application, okay, the 13th point is very much important. Says that if you are you going to file this as a complete or provisional. So what we are preferring is the inventors try to file a provisional application at the earliest to claim the priority date. Okay, this is very much important. So while filing a provisional application, claims will not come, abstract is not that much required. While filing a complete patent application, claim should be there, abstract and detailed drawings, everything should be clear. And the payment to the controller patent offices, you can pay through cash or anything. This is the form 2 and this is form 5. Form 2 is fully technical. Okay, the form 2 will written only by the practicing patent analyst. Okay, so form 2 is fully of legal and technical. Form 3, you are going to declare this as a declaration as to inventorship. So this will give you the inventor authority to the inventors, and this will say these they are the inventors and they are the right, they having the right to the invention. This is form 3. And second thing is Form 9. Form 9 is very much important. I have told you that while filing a patent application, it will take 18 months for publication. Okay. If you want the patent application should be published within a 1 week, means you can file this Form 9. Okay. This 5 form is very much important, and this is the first step. Are you a beginner? Are you going? You don't know what is patent, and you are the beginner, means try to fill these forms: Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, and Form 5, Form 9. This is a 5 forms. This is a very much important. This is the stepping step into the patent officers. This is the priority date. Okay. This is a very much important thing. And while filing a patent application with the Indian Patent Office through online or through offline, immediately you will get this receipt. What is this receipt? And this will tell you who filed this application to the this is what we are filing. Okay. And this is the who is the person the applicant name will come in the two, and what are all the forms you are submitting, and what is the DD number, and what is the DD. We are filed through demand draft, and this is very much important. If you walk into the Indian Patent Office, they will never give you this form as a printout. So okay, everything will be online only. Okay. While even though it's a professional or it is a complete patent application, this form is very much required. Okay. This is the IP evolution, what we have discussed earlier, and I have told you that what is a patent. Any intellectual idea can be expressed as a copyright, idea can be expressed as a patent, idea can be expressed as a trademark, idea can be expressed as a design idea. Second thing is trade secret. Patent, copyright, trademark, everything can be filed as a patent. Okay. Trade secret is nothing but that is a confidential thing, and we should don't want to disclose to anyone else. So I'm skipping this. Okay. Now I'm going to show you some small inventions which got granted. So you don't be scared or don't be think that patent is a very big thing and we want to develop the new technology, nothing else. Any simple thing which is applicable to industrial application, that can be filed as a patent. So I'm giving this this is a small example. Okay, nothing but this patent has filed in 2018. Okay, this is the drilling machine. Drilling machine is already known technology. Okay, the applicant what they claimed is while drilling a wall or while drilling anything in hard surfaces, while drilling this thing, the dust will be spread everywhere else. Okay, what this machine will do is this machine will collect all the dust materials, and this basket will collect everything. Okay, this will never allow other dust to spread everywhere, and this will collect everything. Okay, this is a small simple invention. This has novelty and this has industrial application. This got granted. Okay, this is a patent certificate. Okay, I'm showing the patent certificate. This is a small invention. Drilling machine is always it's a known technology. This has been filed as a patent, and what the inventor claims is while drilling a machine, the device what he found is this will collect the dust particles and load it here. That's all. Okay, this very small invention and this got granted. And this is also a small simple invention. This got granted and it has been filed in 2019. I'm showing all the recent applications which got granted, and this is the solar panel. Okay, generally solar panels will got dust very easy. Okay, what this machine will do is this machine will pour the water and this machine will clean the solar panels within a fraction of a second. Okay. Solar panels is all it's an existing technology, that's always known technology. What the inventor claims is this what device he has discovered. This device will clean the solar panels with low water efficiency and with air. Okay, this is nothing but the fiber from the coconut shell. This is the thing what they have used. Okay, and this got granted. Second thing is everyone will familiar on this invention. This is nothing but the paper straw. Okay, this is a paper straw, and this has been filed as a patent. This is a this is a product oriented patent. This patent has been granted, and you can see the patent certificate here. This is the application number 2018. This has been filed in 2018. This is the patent number. Okay, and the patent name will come in this here, and this is the name of the invention. A biodegradable. is a plastic straw. No, this is a paper straw. Okay. Paper straw, this has been filed as a patent and it got granted. It's very simple invention I am showing you. Anything else? Okay. And this is the mosquito killer for you can see this thing in five-star hotels or in the roadside shops. What this machine will do is this machine will attract the insects and mosquitoes and this will kill this thing. Okay. It's a simple invention and got granted. This is the patent certificate here. So please don't think that patent is a very big thing and you want some other inventive ideas, you want to disclose a new thing from the existing but nothing else. Whichever idea you are bringing, that idea we will do a patentability search and we will see whether it is fitting into the frame of novelty, inventiveness, and industrial application. If it fits into the frame, means we can consider filing as a patent. That's all. This is the trimming machine. Nothing but this is the trimming machine, and this got granted. This is the claim. You can see the claim from by using the patent application numbers. Okay, simple invention. This is the trimming machine, and it got granted. This is an automatic pani puri making machine. So okay, and this is the patent certificate. What this machine will do is without any human intervention, this will make the pani puri itself. And everyone will familiar on this invention. This is the poultry feeding machine. You can see in the hen poultry farms. What this will do is this is used to feed the hens, chickens, water as well as the food to the chickens. Okay, this has been filed in 2010, filed in Chennai Patent Office, and this is the patent in Mr.R.Saranraj. This is the improved adjustable poultry feeder. This is a submersible pump. What this pump will do is, if the water tank is not having sufficient water in the tank, means this pump will automatically switch on the motor, and when the tank is coming to up to the level, means this machine will automatically switch off the motor. That's all. Automatically switching on and switching off of the tank. This is already it's a known technology, and the inventor found that no one has filed the invention as patent application, and he go to the patent office and he got filed everything. So this has been filed in 2017. Who filed this thing? All this technologies from Erode. Okay, I think you are familiar with the what is patent. Patent is nothing but that is a brainchild, and you can file anything as a patent. Says that it can be a provisional or it can be a complete. By filling only 5 forms, we can get a patent. It is nothing but the brainchild. Any simple invention which is fitting into the frame patent category means that can fail as a patent. Okay. This is industrial designs. Okay. Design is nothing but for filing a patent, we want the technical strongness, and for filing a patent, it should be novel, it should be inventive, and it should be new. We having through 3 basic pillars. After satisfying the basic pillars only, it can be filed as a patent. For filing a design, nothing is required. Any ornamental value, any aesthetic shapes, the shape of the object that can be filed as a patent. That is industrial design. Okay, we can see that the BMW, Audi, Benz, and Rolls-Royce, they're having enormous patents, enormous design applications, and the design of the BMW or any design of the car design that can't be copied by anyone else. So, what can be filed as a registrable design? Any shape of the machine, any configuration, patent, any ornamentation that can be filed as a design. Okay. So, while design can be granted within 90 days from the date of filing, patent will be get granted within 1 year from the date of filing. So this is very easy and simple process. While filing from the date of filing, within 90 days, we can get the design certificates. This is the non-registrable designs. Not everything can be filed as a design. Only ornamental value, any aesthetic shape of the object that only can be filed as a design. Okay. This is very familiar design models, and this cutter machine. Motor is already known technology. Electricity is already known technology. What this machine will do? This machine will cut the iron rods. That's all. The aesthetic value of the machine has been filed as a design, and this got granted. This is the workflow of the design. For filing a patent, we should file it as a provisional or it should be a complete. Then we go for publication, then examination, then grant. Okay. For the design, first we should go for design search. filing, then response, then examination, acceptance, and publication. That's all. Design is a very simple process, and all the action will be taken care within 90 days. Industrial design. I have shown you the cup of this. This is what this will do. This will do nothing. Okay. The aesthetic value of a water bottle, only because of this water bottle, it can be sold out from the market. Okay. It nothing. This is not a use at all. The eye-catchy value and ornamental thing. That's only of this thing. This can be filed as a design application. This is a very well-known design. While seeing the bottle, you can say what is the company name. Okay. And while seeing the alloy wheels, you can identify from which company it is. And seeing the car front design, you can say what is the name of the company. And even you can say what is the brand model. Okay. This is the value of the design. But design will not cover any technical value. It will cover only the ornamental, the shape of the value. What is the aesthetic value? Okay. While seeing the product without the label, without anything else, you can identify from which company it is and which company it belongs to. Even you can say what is the model of the Benz car. Okay, this is the value of the design. Okay, and when now we are moving to copyright. Copyright is nothing but this will give you the value to the writer. Anything which are written under your computer code words on what you are writing in your diary, on what you are writing in your paper, any literary work that can be filed as a copyright, and this will restrict others from copying your words. Okay, this is the right given to the inventor. What can be filed as a copyright? The poems, the novels, as well as the musical code words. What are the codes used to for filing developing a website? The code, what is used, any programmers, any novelist, any artist, anything else. The image, even the image, what they have drawn, which is what are the things are returning on paper, what are the things returning on digitally, that's your name, signature, everything else. That can be filed as a copyright. So this will restrict others to copy your inventions. This is the world's first copyright. Okay. This is the book, and this book this is the first copyright of the world. Okay. What the copyright will protect? The copyright, while filing a copyright, it will give you the exclusive right to the author. Says that this can what the author has written on the notebook, or what what code they have developed, and nobody can copy this thing. Okay, so, the films and sound recordings, original literacy, dramatic and musical articles, this can be filed as a copyright. Okay, what can be what are all the what can be included in the copyright? Okay, literary work and computer software. This is the thing you can file this as a category. Okay, novels, books, poems, literary work, this will file as a copyright, and computer software can be filed as a copyright. Okay, second thing is computer software can be filed as a patent only in US and not in India. So please don't confuse this thing. Okay, computer software can be filed as a patent only in US. Okay, computer software can file as a copyright in India. This is the duration of the copyright. Duration of the copyright is from the filing date itself. Within 6 months, you will get the copyright certificate from the Indian Patent Office. Okay, and the duration of the copyright is lifetime of the author plus after the expiry of the author 60 years validity. This is the validity of the copyright. Says that from the filing date itself up to the lifetime of the author, after the expiry of the author plus 60 years is the validity of the copyright. From under this category, your literary work and your software can be filed as a copyright. Okay, this is a music. This is the code word will given in the patent certificate to the inventor, to the original inventor for filing a copyright. These are all the non-registerable copyrights. So anything, so your idea is not coming under patent. We will evaluate whether this idea can be filed as a copyright or as a design or a trademark, anything else. So what are all the ideas we are getting from you? We will try to file it as a patent and we analyze in which category it is falling under. Okay. Second thing is ideas, devices, and what are all the things is applicable under patent that cannot be filed as a copyrights. Okay. And this is the workflow of the copyrights, and this will it will be for within 6 months we can get the copyright certificate from the Indian Patent Office. While filing the application, you will get a diary number. Diary number is nothing but the application number. Okay. After that, this will be examined by the copyright examiner, and he will wait for the objection. So anyone can object the copyright. It will publish in the copyright website, and he will wait for the objections. So anyone is objecting or not. If no one is objecting for a limited period of time, means he will give a response says that your copyright has been registered. Now we are going to discuss about trademark. Okay, the trademark is very big asset to the business owners. Okay, what can be filed as a trademark? If you are owning a big company like Apple or Google, says that while seeing the logo itself, you can say that this phone belongs to Apple, and by seeing the logo, this A belongs to Airtel. Okay, that is known as trademark. Okay, if you are going to start a new business, means you are a starter, and see in the same field, an existing role player will be there. If you want to develop your industry, you can get the trademark license from the existing player, and you can boost up your company. That is the value of the trademark. Okay. For example, Himalayas. Now the baby care products are mostly the marketing with Himalayas. And if you're having an idea which is exclusively for baby care, and if you want to reach the market within a short period of time, means you can get the Himalayas name as a trademark. The trademark can be fixed in your product, and you can reach the market within a limited period of time. Okay, this is the value of the trademark. Okay, this is an intangible asset, and this asset can be filed as a trademark. Okay, what are all coming under trademark will not come under patent. What are all coming under copyright will not come under trademark. Okay, we should evaluate in which category your idea is coming. Okay, the validity of the trademark is 10 years, and you can see all the leading brands. This R will be there. That is registered trademark. Okay, this validity is 10 years, and you can extend the validity up to about 10 years by filling the forms. This is the trademark registration procedure in India. While filing a trademark is nothing but your company logo, okay, and your company name, and you have some exclusive font designs for a company logo that can be filed as a trademark. While filing a trademark, you go for a search. Okay, search, filing, response, examination. All the process is similar. From patents to design, trademark, to everything, the process is similar. First thing is search, filing, examination, publication, then grant. That's it. This is the well-known trademarks of India. Okay, Sony, John Deere, Toyota, and HP. While seeing the logo itself, you can buy the product. Okay, we will have a good we will have a goodwill says that if the product is having this logo and this is valid, this is a very branded product. We can have a mindset like that. Okay, this is the example of trademark, and we having up to 45 classes of services for the trademarks. Goods will come under 1 to 34. Service will come under 35 to 45. So we having 45 types of trademark registrations in India. Okay, I'm skipping this one. This is a geographical indication. Says that geographical indication. This is a very familiar word to all the Tamil people. Says that this geographical indication. This word will be getting repeated again and again in the newspapers. Says that this is known as Puvi Sarna Kuriyede. So we can say this thing. What can be filed as a trademarks? Any agricultural products, any foodstuffs, wine and drinks, handicraft products. So I can show you some examples of trademarks. This is the trademarks has been filed by government of Tamil Nadu, and all the thing has been got granted. Okay, this is a Salem silk, Kovai cotton saree, Arani silk, Madurai sarees, Kanjipuram silk sarees. Says that this exclusive saree you can get only in the region only, so you cannot copy it from others. Okay, so this Arani silk will the embroidering designs and the quality of the silk. Okay, it will be available only in that region only. So similar type of silk sarees we cannot find anywhere else in the world. So this has been protected around the world. Okay. says that Puvisartha Kuriyid you can tell in Tamil. This is some of the examples. I have taken some examples for easy understandings. Okay, so Tanjavur temple as well as this Mahalipuram statues, Bhavani Jamukalam as well as this Pattamade mats as well as this Vinay. Okay, this everything can be produced and in the same region itself. So this quality and this type of finishing you cannot find anywhere around the world. Okay, this is the value of the trademark. And I have seen some examples of trademarks is Madurai Malli and Malabar pepper, green cardamom, tall coconut, nilgiri tea. All of this, all the trademarks is from Tamil Nadu government itself, Tamil Nadu only, and all the things have been get granted. Some of the examples of trademarks, what we have got. So we having so much number, more nearly 100 trademarks filed by government of Tamil Nadu on everything has been got granted. This is a recent trademark granted for Athangudi tiles. This is a Narasimhampati that Nadaswaram. This got GA tag. And this is the jobs for IP. So you can ask me why I want to learn IP and I don't have any syllabus, nothing else. So if you learn IP, learning of intellectual property is not a big deal. Anybody interested in learning of IP, anybody can join this IP cell team and they can learn with the IPs. Okay. And the patent is very patent. We can join as IP analyst. Who can be a patent analyst? Any person who is strong in the technical field, they can be a patent analyst. Second thing is patent engineers. There's nothing but if you are electrical or EC student means if any scientist or any other inventor coming with an idea to you for filing a patent means if you are eligible to file fault in this invention means then you will be the patent experts. Okay, I'm telling in simple words. If any scientist or any inventors coming to you for filing a patent means if you are eligible to find faults and you can rectify it means this is one of patent engineers. Docketing officer is nothing but I told you earlier for filing a patent you want to fill 5 forms and for filing a trademarks for filing a GI we should have some professional person's help. So this is he is the person patent docketing officer. What he will do is he will fill all the required forms and he will alert you within the timeline what are the forms to be submitted in patent office for getting a grant. He is a docketing officer. This is a non-technical role. Patent agent. This is the highly paid job in patent field. Okay. Who can be a patent agent? Patent agent, any science graduates or any engineering graduates can write the patent agent examination and this will conducted around the world like NEET and JEE examination. Okay. Once you are qualified as a patent agent means around the world you can file patent anywhere else through online or through offline. Okay. This is only for science graduates. Okay. And the salary of a patent agent is this is not fixed up to 3 lakh per annum. If you are strong in your technical field means you can get 3 lakh within 1 day itself. Okay. Proofreading IP attorney is nothing. IP attorney is known as any law graduates can become an IP attorneys. This is the some of the legal researchers, drafters, and this is the different roles of getting a patent. Okay, says that if your patent or if your IP is getting grant means this will come across all the 10 members. Okay, all the 10 members will work for you for getting a patent or design or copyright or trademark or GI grants. Okay, this is the roles of a patent analyst while getting a. This is the workflow of the patent granting. Have you understood what I have told you? Anybody else? Any doubts?
Sir, you told about the priority date event, right, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is very important before filing. Just share about that, sir. I think it's new or it's already there, sir.
The thing is, it's a very important question you have asked. Priority date is nothing but I'm telling some case to easy understanding. Okay. So you and your colleague is working on a same invention in the same lab. Okay. And you are trying to file it as a patent. Without to your knowledge, your colleague filed as a patent today. Okay, and today as a professional patent application without disclosing too much of technical information, nothing is there, and he have claimed that priority date and he has filed the patent application today itself. After 2 or 3 days, you are going to Indian Patent Office with the complete set of documents for filing the same invention. Means at the time of examination, the person who filed first will claim the priority date, and the grant will be given to the person who filed before. This is the importance of the priority dates. Okay. So while getting the idea from your brain and while starting a research, try to file it as a provisional patent application on the same day itself, because this is a very much important, and we are having too much of infringement cases around the world going only because of the priority date. Okay, when your idea is arising and when you are starting to file, when you are thinking to file a patent application, means that is nothing but the amount of filing a patent application is 1,750 only for individual as well as the education institutions. It's not a bigger amount. Okay, and your patent will protect it around the world, so no one can file patents on your concepts. This is the importance of the priority date. Am I clear, ma'am?
Yes, sir, it's clear, sir. Sir, one more question, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, actually, there are two types of patents: product patent, process patent, right, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, software can be only copyrighted in India, but it can be done in US, right, sir?
Software can
Sir,
be
algorithm.
filed as a copyright in India as well as it can be filed as a patent in US.
Yes, sir. But algorithm, right, sir? If we develop any new kind of algorithm, for example, people are doing research.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
at that time, they are developing a new algorithm for the particular purpose for serving the society and all. So
Okay,
can
ma'am.
we file this algorithm as a process patent, sir, or this can be filed as a copyright, sir? Again, there is a confusion among all the people. So kindly clarify.
Okay, ma'am, this algorithm, if it is involving any other process or any other product, means we can file it as a patent itself, or if it is not coming under a patent category, means we can go for design registration. Okay, so we will analyze. So while we will, for this question, we will get an abstract from the inventors and we will go for a patentability search and we will look after what are the possibilities for filing it as a patent or a design, or we will go for copyright. So this is the question. What we will do is we will get the abstract from the inventors and we will analyze everything. So basic thing is it can be filed as a copyright. So general answer is it can file as a copyright,
Okay.
madam.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir, regarding the design, sir,
Okay.
for example, now students are doing some project ideas regarding the Tiger. So they are asked to develop some toys, sir.
Okay,
So
madam.
this toys, if they want to commercialize it, they have to register it as a design, or they have to register.
Sorry, ma'am. Hello.
Sir, regarding games or toys, if I am designing some toy game,
Okay, ma'am.
so this toy, right, sir?
Okay.
Toys, it may be a design, it can be filed as a patent.
Sorry, madam. This can be filed as a design.
Yeah, okay, sir.
That is, it has some ornamental value and aesthetic shape of the toys. Okay, the toys can be filed as a design and we can get grant within 90 days from the date of filing.
So which one is better, sir? Provisional or complete? If there is any difference in the technology, or if there is any difference in the process implementing the project after the provisional filing, there will be a problem, right, sir?
No issues, madam. I'm clearly telling you what is provisional, what is complete. Okay, provisional patent is nothing but before starting your research and before starting your work, you have some idea what you are going to do. Okay, that concept of your invention and concept of your work can be filed as a provisional patent application, and the purpose of filing a provisional application is to protect the invention from the uh, throughout the world. Okay, while filing a provisional application, you should don't want to disclose the complete write-up of your invention and you what in the form 1 what you will tell is this is the applicant and we are the inventors going to develop this product, develop this research. Okay, from the data filing itself you will get the application number and that has been protected around the world. Okay, within 12 months you should go for complete patent specification. From provisional to complete there is no any other difference. In provisional you disclose that you are the inventors and he is the applicant and we are doing research on this concept. Okay, within 6 months or 9 months or within 12 within 11 months you have completed a research and you should file it as a complete. What we will do is in the form 2 we will say that the concept has been already filed as a provisional and we are going to file it as a complete. Okay, while filing a complete application we can add some more inventors from provisional to complete and we can add some technical value and anything can be modified from provisional to complete. Okay, the purpose of filing a provisional application is to get the priority date. That's all. So from provisional to complete you can develop anything and you can add some more inventors and you can add some more applicants. Anything can be done from provisional to complete. Okay, by after filing a complete application my personal advice is don't change anything. Okay, from provisional is nothing but that is the invention, that is the idea protected around the world and this will restrict the other inventors and other key players to copy your invention. That's all. So while if you are thinking to file a patent application means try to do a provisional and get the priority date as soon as possible. Am I clear, ma'am?
Thank you, sir. Thank you for answering all the questions very patiently. Thank you so much. It's very useful and informative for us. I hope we'll file the patent very soon, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, thanks a lot, ma'am.
Thank you for your wonderful session, sir. Do participants have any queries? Now a resource person is available to answer all your queries.
Okay. You can see this window.
Sir?
My window is visible.
No, sir. Screen is actually not visible.
Okay, I'm typing my SMS mail ID here.
Sir, your screen is not
Sure, share
visible,
it in
sir.
the chat, sir.
Entire screen.
So kindly share it in the chat, sir.
Okay, madam. SMS for Saranraj. So I given my email ID in the chat screen. If you have any doubts or queries, means you can mail me. I can answer you. SMS for Saran@gmail.com.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
We
you.
hope that our audience has a clear vision and understanding of today's session. Thank you so much for making this session a wonderful event. Let's wind up this evening with a warm note of appreciation. It's time to propose the vote of thanks. I would like to call upon Ms. Divya from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering second year to propose the vote of thanks.
There is always light. If only we were brave enough to see it. If only we were brave enough to be it. Today, I take the opportunity to put all my gratitude into words. I consider it a great privilege to propose a vote of thanks to all the dignitaries who have witnessed it as a memorable and successful event. On the behalf of K.S. Rangasamy College of Technology Institutions Innovation Council, I would like to express my gratitude to our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr.R.Saranraj, Assistant Manager, IPR Analyst, Department of Electrical Engineering Institution, Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, for taking his precious time out and delivering a speech on the topic filing of Indian patent and ethics in IPR. Sir, indeed, your words have inspired us. Today's webinar was full of knowledge and interesting things. It gave deep insights to topics and also revealed some interesting facts.
Thank you, sir, for sharing with us your words of wisdom. You took this event to a greater level. We will be looking forward to have more of your presence at future events. We thank you for being with us. It has reminded a pronounced pleasure. I extend my sincere gratitude to our Vice Chairman Sri R. Srinivasan and our CEO Dr. K. Tyagaraja sir in their absence here. A special mention to our respected Principal Dr. R. Gopalakrishnan for being our constant support. With a deep sense of appreciation, we thank our living teachers for their untiring efforts. I would also like to thank the people who worked behind the scene to make this event happen. Our President, Vice President, and Convener of IIC, faculty coordinators, and student coordinators. Also, thank you to all the students present here for paying your attention and learning. The essence of fruit is always tasted in the last, and we believe that the last will be the best. I would like to thank all our students of IIC for working with us in making this event a memorable one for all. Thank you all.
Thank you, Miss Divya. Thank you all for your valuable time with us. Hope this session would have rewarded you with valuable take home benefits. A kind instruction, we request all the dignitaries to turn on the video to capture the moment. I repeat, I request the dignitaries and our chief guests to turn on their videos to capture the moment.
Sir,
Thank
could you
you.
turn on your video, sir, if you are comfortable?
It is not enabled, ma'am.
Lokesh, please enable the camera on.
செய்தேன் வரல.
Ma'am, now the option is available.
It's not available, ma'am.
Sir, now it is comfortable, sir?
This is not coming, madam. One sec. Okay, it's not coming, madam. Okay. Okay.
It's okay, sir. It's no issue, sir.
Okay, okay, madam. Thank you, madam.
I think some setting problem in the guest mode, sir. No issues.
Okay, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, madam.
Thank you all. I request all the students to fill out the feedback form. The feedback form has been given in the chat box. Thank you all.